the game state will change from start to play only when the player starts the game by pressing the spacebar key. Now, how would the player know? So, for that, you can add a note for the player to understand that whenever the player presses the spacebar key, the game will begin. So, for an outsider to play the game, it is necessary to have that note. So, let's try to add that. You can add a note in the draw loop itself. Whenever the game state is equal to start, so which means only at the beginning of the game we want this note to be displayed. Once the game starts, we do not need this note. So only when the game state is equal to start, we want to display a text which is which says that press spacebar to start playing, or press spacebar to begin the game. And when the player presses the spacebar key, the game state will be changed to play. You can use console.log to check the current game state. And once the game state changes to play, only then the game starts. So you modify these conditions as well. Only when the game state is equal to play, the T-Rex should be able to jump and have gravity. Then only then the clouds should be able to come backwards. Then the obstacles would start coming in, and there is also a moving ground. So you modify that code as well. Now we have defined a code condition, uh, or the condition for the game to begin, and we have also defined a condition for the change of game state from start to play. Now we have to think of the condition when the game ends. And the game would end only when the T-Rex touches any of the obstacle sprites or the cactus. Now, if we try to use this code, which we often use, if T-Rex is touching obstacles, we are encountered with an error, which we had never encountered before. So the error is overlap can only be checked between sprites or groups. Now, if you notice, here, uh, obstacles are the groups. The obstacle could be any one from obstacle 1 to obstacle 6. And T-Rex is a singular variable sprite. So it can be checked only when, um, as the error says, overlap can be checked only between sprites or groups. Now, how do we avoid this error? So for that, you need to create the groups. So let's understand how do we use this section, which we have never used before, groups. So you can create groups of clouds, groups of obstacles, and you can check the overlap between the groups and also assign the velocities for each of these items in the group. So here you can see the set color each, set collider each. Then there'll be also one code block that says set velocity each. So all these images or the sprites are treated as one single group, and then you can assign different properties to each sprite in that group. So let's code that.